This video is on the classification of organisms. The topics include gene silencing, exaptation, separation of organisms, adaptive radiation, natural selection, systematist, and homoplasy. First up, we have gene silencing, which is the regulation of a gene expression in a cell to prevent the expression of a certain gene. For example, the loss of ventral spines by modern freshwater sticklebacks is due to natural selection operating on the effects of gene silencing. Next, we have exaptation, which is a term used to describe a trait that has been co-opted for a use other than which natural selection has built it. It shows that essentially evolution uses what it has available. Next up, we have a separation of organisms. When organisms separate, they become adapted to their unique habitat and develop traits that are advantageous to their specific environment. Next term we have is adaptive radiation. Adaptive radiation is the diversification of a group of organisms into forms filling different ecological niches. To tie into the classification of organisms, we have natural selection. Within a species, natural selection favors one character in a species and another character in another species. However, species selection may cause the species with one of the characters to reproduce rapidly, which explains the coexisting of two similar species. Systematist is a biologist who specializes in the classification of organisms into groups on the basis of their structure, origin, and behavior. Last here, we have a homoplasy, which is a character shared by a set of species but not present in their common ancestor. For example, if an archaean cell is discovered whose RNA sequence is more similar to that of humans than the sequence of mouse RNA is to that of humans, this discrepancy would be a homoplasy.